Alright, good day guys. Today I'll be following our usual protocol. So based on what happened yesterday, I said I was looking for price to tag this on Euro USD. I was hoping for yesterday to create a fair value gap, which it did. You can see it created this daily fair value gap that we're working with right now. So it tagged that fair value gap today, and that was where the high of the day was created. Now from daily time frame, I'm going to go down to the 1 hour time frame. We're still very bearish on higher time frame, so I'll still continue following the bearish momentum or the bearish trend. Now on 1 hour time frame, what do we have here? We have price tag into the daily fair value gap stroke equal highs. So this will be the daily fair value gap equal highs. Yeah, so basically we tag the daily fair value gap equalize. Let me share this streams link. Alright, so I've shared that. So we took out these equal highs and we tagged this fair value gap on daily time frame. On 1 hour time frame, and yeah, so we tagged that fair value gap. So basically, we're supposed to enter a position right now, or start from right now. We should get a retracement. So now what I'm looking to get is this 1 hour candle high. I want it to form in this. So I want it to tag this other block and then come down into a space. So this is our sales liquidity. This is our drawn liquidity for the day. So each day when you are trading, you have to make sure you have a drawn liquidity for that day. Now, what kind of narrative are we trading based on? We are trading based on London continuation narrative, and I'll show you guys why I said that now. So alright. So we have a market structure shift here. We have a market structure shift here, and now we're selling downwards. So market maker sell model here. You can call this market maker sell model. You can call this total soup. Yeah. So we have different models showing up at the same time, making this a very high probability trade. Um, the narrative here is market maker sell model stroke market this thing stroke London continuation. So where's our opening price? Our opening price is that down here. So this is our opening price. You can see price came back to tag into it in during the London session. So we had turtle soup on Asia High. So Asia High got raided and it tagged a premium fair value gap. So it tagged the higher time frame premium fair value gap. And then so like this is classic sell day. And this is the previous day's low. So that's sell side liquidity slash previous day's low. So I'm going to put sell side liquidity, then previous day low. So we have London. We have a Judah swing from after the opening price. In London session, we just has the sell from that Judah swing, but it's still like kind of London continuation. Then in New York killzone, the only retracement we need is for it to retrace back into this fair value gap newly created. So this 15 minutes fair value gap. So I would be looking at it to do what? First we had turtle soup. So let's go back to 1 hour time frame where the framework is happening. First we had turtle soup, then fair value gap. It tagged this fair value gap and this other block. So we can say it's use the other block. Then now breaker. So what are we going to use as our breaker? We're going to use this low as our breaker. So this is no longer a 1 hour order block. It is now a bearish breaker. This sell candle here, this down candle before this up move, that's our breaker. So I'm going to mark that out with my rectangle tool, and I'll tag that as breaker. So turtle soup, bearish order block. Then breaker. So now our entry would be from this breaker downwards to this sell side liquidity. So yeah, this is basically how this works. This is how New York killzone works. So today's narrative is what is New York continuation, right? And our drawn liquidity for the day has not been taken out. The bias is bearish. So now let me write down the confluences while we wait for the trade to activate. So we know confluences. We know the daily bias equals bearish. We know London formed high of the day. What else do we know? We know we have a total. So we know London formed high of the day, then we know we have total. So sorry, we have turtle soup, then we have fair value gap, then we have a breaker on 1 hour time frame. So it is important to like maintain one time frame when trying to use these concepts. When trying to use the total soup fair value gap breaker, I prefer maintaining one. So this is basically the classic sell day this time move. basically a classic sell day move. So what we're going to do for now is a retracement back into what we're going to wait what we're going to wait for now is a retracement back into this breaker and a sell. And on 15-minute time frame, that's it tagging the bearish fair value gap. And you can look at GU too. GU, we set this trade up for yesterday and still hasn't tagged it, so yeah, we're still waiting on that. Still hasn't tagged it. It took out this high. Took out this high, then we had the total super above that. That's like a read, then now a sell structure. So probably we have a sell structure and we like tag down here. You can see the XY. The XY is as bullish as ever, and like it's still maintaining like its bullish move. I don't know why a lot of people like want to sell it, but like it's still maintaining its bullish move. You can see it tagged the daily fair value gap too, and it's still moving towards our drawn liquidity. So yeah, I'm still standing on the fact that it will move towards this drawn liquidity on daily time frame. So this is like it's just having I would like place this. This is just it having like a continuation on the higher time frame institutional order flow. So let's look at EU. EU doesn't want to give us this tag. We have to wait for it. Let's check Forex Factoring to see if you have any news. Though I think we do have some news today, so let me. So the New York trading window started from here. It started from 8 o'clock, and like it is just 8 o'clock. So like this is the first candle it has produced. So I'm still waiting for it to like give us a retracement themselves. 8.5. I'll be risking like 0.5% on the trade because of the account. Because of the type of the account I trade. Depending on which kind of account you trade, I think I will still have a risk management class. Probably to be an video uploaded instead of a live stream, so I can go into detail about how I manage risk on my accounts. might be looking like this trade is going to leave us behind, but if it does, then it is what it is. But I still think it will like still give us the retracement we want, like this, then sell. So let's check Forex Factory and see what it says. Okay, so today on Forex Factory we have unemployment claims in by 2:30 p.m. and what's time now? So like that's still in like 17 minutes, so we have to wait for that. That'll probably give gas into this trade. Okay, we're getting a little retracement here. Probably um would get what we're looking for. Who knows? Okay, not a retracement. Mm. I'm going to set like a buy limit. Like I wanted to enter with I wanted to enter with a this thing before, with a market entry, market market entry order or market order, but I'm going to enter with a sell limit. So I'm going to set a limit for the trade in case the news drops and in case the news drops and so according to ICT, you should be checking each PDRE on this part of the charts, and each of them shall allow you to like take profit. So yeah, we take one at this low and one at this low. So I'll wait for this retracement first. So we take one at this low, then we take another at this low. So I'll mark that as TP1 and TP2. Yeah, so let me make that shaded. Ten minutes to like the news release. I wonder if it's going to like activate before it spikes downwards. If it hits TP, then I'm going to invalidate the trade idea because I don't have any drawn liquidity to trade towards anymore. So we have 7 minutes to the news release. I'm still watching to see what will happen. And I just dropped my hard drive. Very interesting life. So I think we're getting a little bit of retracement in here. MCG. G is definitely like taking out this low with the news impact. Probably it will take out this low as liquidity to buy back upward. So something like this. Then yeah. So something like that is bound to happen with GU. Again, GU recap from yesterday. We arranged trading on GU. It took out these equal lows, total soup, fair value gap. So we wanted to tag this fair value gap, then buy upward. So to take out this equal highs over here, then sell. So to take out these highs as liquidity, then we would have this. So we would have this other block here, create a form of sponsorship for it to sell. So basically, this kind of move, let me show you that. Where's my tool? Okay, move like this. So down move, then tag the fair value gap, then upward, and we tag that, then we sell back from there downwards. I checked the GBP features yesterday, and I understand why forex has been consolidating. It has been consolidating like that for a few years now. So let me show you guys GBP features. We have 4 minutes to the news release, by the way. So okay, that does not want to load. I'm just going to leave it alone. I have a shitty ass network. I've been trying to live stream for a while and it has not been going through. So at least it's doing us well today. Usually by this time I don't really expect any retracement. I just enter my trade from where they are and then I call it wraps. So but I think because of this news release it's going to give us a little bit of retracement then sell. I don't know, we would see. Normally I could just like enter on this break of structure here, put my stop loss here, then TP here, but that's not, that would like injure our risk reward and then leave us with 1 to 1 risk reward ratio. So instead we should just use this breaker. Two minutes to the news impact. Let's see what happens. One minute to the news impact. I don't really say I'm trading. I don't really say. So I'm having like some decent retracement, but I don't think it would activate. But let's just see. This is interesting to watch. Let me see what's happening in 1 minute time frame. Yeah, it might give us the retracements we want. Because like from the open of the trading window, it has just dumped. So these retracements will clear out all this liquidity over here and tag into it. We are very close to the entry here. We are how many pips? Like few pips away from it. About 6 pips probably. Yeah, less than 6 pips. So it should be able to give us what we want. Let me see GU. Okay, GU hasn't taken out anything yet. Instead, it's just also like retracing. So I can still wait on them to deliver something. The this trading window lasts for 2 hours, so and we barely just started it, so we should still have time. Yeah, we still have enough time for us to get entry and get out. So that's the 2 hours it lasts for. This is a fair value gap here that it's tagging into. So high, low, lower, high, fair value gap. It can sell from here, but I'm still going to wait for the breakout. But it can actually sell from here and it's tipping. But I will just have to wait to find out because I wanted to take out these highs here. That's the liquidity for this trade. Each trade I enter has to have liquidity before like I gain entry into it. So if there's not have any liquidity that is getting swept, then there's no reason for it to retrace or for it to change its direction. So that's my liquidity for this trade. So yeah, it tagging the 15 minutes fair value gap means something, but I am still going to wait for that high to get swept for me to get inside. And yeah, we're getting some retracement back up there. Let's see where it takes us into. Yeah, it is selling from that fair value gap, or I still want to wait for it to tag this breaker. If it doesn't, then that's wraps for the day. All I wanted to do is take out the sell side liquidity.